Hi, my name is Shaima. So today I will teach you how to do exterior window using free modeling. Okay, first you go to free modeling mode and then you draw a line. Here you have to add surface, okay? So you have to draw a line. Or you can also draw a rectangle. It's up to you. Okay, now surface is done. So next you go to custom. Then you go to aluminium door to add the window. Go inside winter garden. Okay. Okay, click surface design, then select the surface. Click facade. We're going to do a hole inside the surface. If you want to select more than one surface, you can hold control button and select all the surfaces and then click facade. Okay, once done, so next we're going to make the arrow pointed outward. Double click on the arrow. It will change the direction. Okay, click the surface, go to 2D design and drag auto, go to turnable fan. You can click the window, drag any window you want. It's either left or right. Click surface design, go to 2D design, drag auto, go to turnable fan. Okay, and then drag the window. Complete. Okay. Next, we're going to do the same to other surfaces. Okay, make sure the arrow is pointed outward. So when you open the window, it will go outward. Okay, drag auto, turnable fan. Complete. In winter garden, there's no L-shaped window, so therefore you have to do one by one, okay? You have to click one surface. You have to do one by one. Click surface design. Go to 2D. Drag auto. Turnable fan. Okay, drag any. Complete. Surface design. Okay, so this is the last surface. Drag auto. Turnable fan. Okay, complete. Now your exterior window is done. Thank you for watching.